Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. It's so nice out here today. It's about 78 degrees. It's probably about 4:30 p.m. Surprisingly, it's quiet. It is a weekday. It's a Wednesday. Almost feels like early morning. But yeah, just a nice time to be out here. So I thought I'd take advantage of it. Are you trying to catch the bumblebee, Coda? Coda wants that bumblebee so bad. Too funny. Well, things are definitely waking up here in the garden. I've seen butterflies, bees, all types of flying insects. So spring is here. Spring is here. So this is a new project that I'm working on. The other night, I came in and I edged here on the left and here on the right to create my pathway. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. Join me in the challenge. Show me what you're doing in your spring garden. Show me your spring projects. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. I have 3 fruit trees here. One here, one in the middle, and one there. Let's start with this one here on the left. This old gal here is Palace, my contender peach tree. This is my ride or die. This is Fiona. She's my brown turkey fig. Look at her. Look at her. And these are the little baby figs. Scrumptious, scrumptious. I decided to cut her here. And I'll show you that cutting later on. And right here next to Fiona, my fig tree, is Cherry, the cherry tree. I have not gotten any fruit from her yet. Not sure what's going on. She is a self-pollinator. Yeah, so she is actually a 4-in-1 cherry. Haven't gotten a darn thing from her yet. And Black Tartarian. Here's the Van cherry. I'm not sure which one that one is. Yeah, I can't remember the other 2. I guess they just take time. This is year 3. Finally seeing some blossoms here. So maybe this year, maybe this year. Look at that. Haha. I was starting to, was about to get rid of her because I'm thinking if you are not producing, you can't live here no more. I'm new to this whole fruit tree game, so I'm learning, and I guess I've got to have more patience. I see some progress. I think she can stay. I think she can stay. You can stay, old girl. You can stay. I still have a lot of yard cleanup to do, more seeds to plant, so we'll see how it goes. And look at my hostas. Hostas are the comeback kid of my garden. They grow in average soil, so nothing special. They're perennial, so they come back every year. The young and tender plants are edible. I've yet to try them out. I say that I will every year, but then I forget, and then they get big on me, and so I say, okay, I'll do it next year. They're hardy in zones 3 to 9. They require average water. Yeah. They are susceptible to slugs, I will say that. Some years I have no problems whatsoever with the slugs, and then other years it could be a problem. But for the most part, it's all good. You take the good and you take the bad. And there you have the facts of life. You see that? I took the top of my peach tree. I have just been a fruit tree cutting off sister, okay? Fruit tree experts, shh, leave me alone, leave me alone. I'm about to show you something. I don't care what you got to say, okay? Let me experiment, okay, in my garden, all right? Just let me do it, let me do it, let me do it. Okay, so this is what I did. She and I, we did this. So I took the top of the peach tree that I cut off, and I just put it in some soil, like hands in the dirt. Put it in some dirt. I put it in some dirt. Probably shoulda, woulda, coulda cut off these branches so that, you know, all the energy goes to root development, right? We don't really want peaches, right? We want root development. We want to get the plant established first. I get all that. But I just wanted to see what would happen. I mean, I just wanted to see. I know I'm probably putting way too much stress on this tree. I don't know. I just want to see what happens. I want to see if the leaves are going to remain green, if they'll turn brown, if it'll still root at the bottom. I just want to see for myself. That way, for future reference, I can say, hey, you definitely want to cut off those extra branches because this will happen, that'll happen. So I just want to know for myself. That's all. We'll see. Just an experiment. Calm down. Calm down. Maybe I'm the one who needs to calm down here. Let me show you guys the garden. I may have to do a part 2. I didn't want to make this a super long video. But yeah, still lots to do here in the garden. I kind of don't want to show, but I will show because that's what we do here. We show the good and the bad. Hopefully more good than bad. Okay, well, actually, it's not too bad. I mean, it's been worse. But yeah, I can look around and see that there are still things that need to be picked up and put away and that sort of thing. So that's just me and my OCD-ish self. O to the C to the D to the OCD. Yeah, like this makes me OCD-ish here. Yeah. Lots of cleanup. My comfrey is doing really well. Got this from G Mama Grows Hoard in the garden. Thank you, G Mama. I don't want to even, should I even lift this? Yes, this is compost tea. This is how I fertilize and feed my plants. And they grow like this. Kale here, and I need to actually harvest this. So for instance, this is what I do. I take these old yellow leaves, these spent leaves, and I drop them in there, and they will provide nutrients for things like my kale here and other things. I like it young and tender. It's about right. Not too big, not too small, but this is like just right when the leaves are still tender. I like it young and tender. I mean, really, seriously. I mean, big, large leaves are great, and yes, I will eat them, but they do taste so much better when they're young. The larger they get, the woodier they get, chewier they get. Young and tender is the way to go. Yeah, I'm not going to really go into depth in terms of what I've got here. Just going to give you a quick look-see. We'll have to come back again for a part 2 because I just don't want the video to get too long. But yeah, here's another little corner mess here that I want to clear up. This is fresh mint growing here. Yep, little fresh mint. Fresh mint is really good for the breath. So delicious, so delicious. Can never have enough mint, especially during the summer. I put mint in everything I'm drinking. It's just so good and so good for us. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.